Buying a home can be one of the most exciting and rewarding experiences of your life. But before you start browsing listings and attending open houses, it's important to have a clear plan and identify your priorities. By having a plan in place, you'll be able to stay focused and avoid getting overwhelmed by the many options available. You'll also be better prepared to make informed decisions that align with your goals and priorities. Here are some tips to help you develop a clear plan and identify your priorities. Make a list of your must-haves. Start by making a list of features and amenities that are most important to you. This might include things like location, size, number of bedrooms and bathrooms, and specific features like a backyard or a pool. Identify your deal breakers. It's also important to identify your deal breakers, the things that are non-negotiable and that you simply can't live without. This might include things like certain school districts or a specific neighborhood. Set a budget. Knowing how much you can afford is a critical part of the home buying process. By setting a budget up front, you'll be able to focus your search on homes that are within your price range. Work with a trusted real estate agent. A good agent can provide you with expert guidance and support, helping you navigate the many decisions and challenges that come with buying a home. By having a clear plan and identifying your priorities, you'll be able to approach the home buying process with confidence and clarity, knowing that you're making informed decisions that align with your goals and priorities. Let's work together to find you the perfect home for you.